Wow, how are you guys? Today we are going to cook chicken kabsa. It's an Arabic dish for the beginners and those who are eager to taste it. I'm going to put it in its very simplest form. So, let's go cook.
Grab your cooking pot, leave it to dry up for a while, put in cooking oil and add in onions. Let them cook for a while, then soothe from time to time so that they cannot burn and cook evenly at a low heat. Add in cloves and cardamom, cinnamon bark, black lemon, ginger and garlic. Soothe for a while and let them to cook. Add in chicken, soothe for a while and let it to get the aroma. Put in your spices, turmeric powder, cumin powder, garam masala, black pepper and salt to taste. Add in 2 cubes and tomato puree. If you wish, you may slice your tomato and add tomato paste. Put in water, leave it to cook as we wash our rice. As you wash your rice, I will advise you to wash it clean until you see the water is clear and not milky for better results. Now we are going to do our topping for the chicken kabsa. We are going to use eggplants, green bell, red bell, potato and chicken peas. But for today we only have green bell. That's what you're going to use. But if you have both of them, it will be great if you use both the green bell, red bell and orange bell. You fry them. Now we check on our chicken. We remove our chicken from the chicken breast so that we can put in the rice. You have to check that the water is not too much for the rice so that our rice won't be too watery. Do not cover the cooking pot. Once you have put in the rice, you have to let the water level to reduce and then you can cover it up and reduce the heat. Because what cooks the rice is the pressure inside it, not the amount of water, but the pressure inside. You fry the chicken and put it on top so that it can reduce the oiliness. Now it's time to serve our food. Here's our topping and this is our final look of our chicken kabsa.